What's up guys, it's Mo over at Ghostly Care Company, and today I am back with a video to show you guys how I am able to get curls without the heat damage. I know the girls want curls every day. It's not always the best thing to put curlers and flat irons in your hair every day. We don't want to burn your hair out. So I'm going to show you how I'm able to get like this springy style curl using my Go Sleek roller set. Let me show you guys the details on it. So it is a 6-piece roller set and it is made of Mulberry silk, highest grade of silk that you can use. Somewhat reminds you of like a flexi rod. It's not like as firm and hard as a flexi rod, so it's a lot more comfortable to sleep in. It gives like this soft, shiny, like moisturized look. So I could definitely tell by using silk rollers that it's not drying my hair out and my curls come out like super perfect. I will be using 2 sets of rollers. I may not be able to get all 12 in my hair, but I'm definitely gonna need 2 boxes. So I am wearing tape in, so you will see my tapes. But you can use these rollers on natural hair or hair extensions. I am going to start rolling more so at the top of this roller here. And every time I wrap the hair around it, I'm like kind of twisting it. So it gives me more of that springy look when I do take it down. Okay guys, so I'm holding on to the end of my hair so it doesn't unravel before I close it up. And I am going to bring this in and kind of tuck it under my root area. And then go ahead and roll it close. And you want to always close it on the flat side. So I hope this makes sense. Don't fold the roller back this way because it will come loose. So you can use these on wet hair, dry hair. You can use any of your favorite products to like set, you know, while you're rolling your hair to kind of set the curl. However, I'm not going to use a lot of product. You can see my hair is already pressed out straight. I'm going to use a little bit of holding spray as I roll my hair, but just not a whole lot of product. But what I always tell people is try it different ways. Like try it with your hair being wet, try it with it dry, try it with different products, because it's gonna be different for each person and you may like it one way versus what someone else may like. All right, y'all, so I got all of my rollers in. I think I used 11 pieces. I only had 1 left. I did 3 on this side, 3 on this side, 2 on this side, and 2 on this side. As you can see, some of my ends are kind of sticking out just a little bit, but once I put my scarf on, or I'm gonna actually wear my turban to make sure none of my rollers fall out while I sleep. I'm gonna sleep with these about 8 hours and we will be back in the morning to see how this turned out. All right, good morning guys, it's the next day. We are about to take these rollers out and I really hope my hair is curled this time because I actually have never used these rollers on my hair being straight. The last time I did use these rollers, my hair was just kind of blown out. So it was like super thick and textured. But let's just hope I got some curls, y'all. So let's see. But they were super comfortable to sleep in, I will say that. Okay, it's a little something. Not as tight as I expected, but it's cute. Okay. Oh, y'all, I think that's actually really cute. What y'all think? All right, y'all, I was scared. I thought I was gonna have to redo this whole video because your girl wasn't gonna have no curls. But that is looking super cute. Okay, pause, guys. I have to show you guys what the curls look like the last time I used these rollers. So in this particular video right here, I had just freshly washed my hair. I had only blow dried it with the comb attachment. I think I lightly straightened my edges or something like that. But as you can see, the curls came out way tighter this time, and I actually preferred this way better. But I guess I had to try it on straightened out like pressed hair to know. Not bad. I think I kind of like it. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of okay, guys, so because I didn't want this video to go to waste, I definitely wanted to give you the real, and I don't think I like it on pressed out hair, not for me at least. I prefer it to be on blow dried hair because it came out way tighter and it lasts a lot longer. So I definitely recommend that you try it different ways, whether it be wet hair, dry hair, blown out hair, just to see what works best for your hair type. All right, so what do y'all think about the curls? I think I'm kind of digging it, real loose. I'm about to go to the gym anyway, so I'm about to mess it up. However, if you think you like it, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, and I will see you next time.